Uh-oh! Whoa.
Is that a Raptor Roundup?
Well, they're going round and round. And they have feathers. Oye, this is the perfect time to test out my portable power fan.
Is it morning already?
Yeah, and it's time for all of us to get going on a Raptor Roundup.
Dinosaurs?
What?
Looking for velociraptors?
I just started on my time machine.
They'll eat us.
I can't get us back to the age of the dinosaurs yet.
I'm not even sure you have to. Hey, look.
A raptor!
Oh, if Jimmy stuck around, we could have told him this isn't the dinosaur kind of raptor.
Right. It's the bird of prey kind of raptor.
And then we could have told him this raptor here,
Looks like a dinosaur with feathers.
Right, and it's called,
the secretary bird.
also known as the hunter bird.
Yeah, let's call him the hunter bird.
Yeah, I like hunter bird better too.
Like all birds, it is a direct descendant of the raptor.
But how exactly do you know it's a member of the group of birds called raptors?
Because every raptor has these features, a curved, sharp bill,
Eyes in front of its head, both pointed forward.
strong, powerful feet with long, curved claws called talons. Raptors use these features to hunt, and that is what this hunter bird is doing right now.
Only I, Gourmond, chef de creativity, would ever think to invent the meal roasted raptor. You vultures! I'll catch you too! I will taste every raptor in the world and discover which one of you is the most lip-smacking delicious. And maybe it'll be you.
Wow, she really does look like a dinosaur.
Yeah, and some dinosaurs had feathers too.
Yeah, when you're looking at a raptor, you are looking at the direct descendants of hunting dinosaurs.
He found something.
Yeah, trouble. And its name is Black Mamba. That's the kind of snack surprise you don't want to find in your lunch bag. Unless, of course, you're a hunter bird. The Mamba can't get a bite on his skinny legs.
Plus, they're covered with hard scales that protect them from the fangs.
And there are talons on the feet.
And the hunter bird uses those talons to stomp snakes.
Yeah, Stomp. That's Stomp's specialty.
Stomp is an incredible snake predator. Whoa!
Oh, that was totally prehistoric. Raptors rock!
Okay, I'm in on this Raptor Roundup.
Me too. Even though they're like living dinosaurs, they're too cool to be afraid of.
And they must have all sorts of amazing creature powers.
Great, that's one raptor found and only 320 to go. Oh, that's how many species of raptor there are in the world. 320.
Well, check this out. Our hunter bird has led us right to a few more. A chanting goshawk.
Peregrine falcon.
A spotted eagle owl.
A whitehead vulture.
And a martial eagle.
Let's confirm they're all raptors. Curved, sharp bills?
Check.
Eyes on front of head for hunting?
Check.
Talons?
Check.
Well, when the raptors round themselves up for a drink at a waterhole, a Raptor Roundup is a breeze.
I like the owl the best.
The eagle could eat me.
Falcons are my fave.
What the heck?
Huh? It's Gourmond.
What a move!
Go, Stomp, go! Get out of here!
Yoo-hoo! Gotcha!
Oh, but he got the rest!
Oh, were you wondering which raptor to have for dinner? When I've tasted them all, I'll let you know.
Uh-oh.
Gourmond!
What's he up to now?
Don't know for sure, but I bet it involves barbecuing our raptors.
Guys, get the Tortuga ready for takeoff.
Come on, Chris. We'll track Gourmond.
Raptor Almondine. Vulture Bouillabaisse. Eagle Gorgonzola. Ooh, Owl Etouffee. And Falcon Fritters. Well, tenderize my tongue. Why didn't I think of this before? I love chicken wings. How boldly delicious would this be? Raptor wings.
That doesn't sound good.
Let's get a closer look and see what he's up to. Huh?
Get the
I love warthogs.
Yeah, but not warthog breath. Oh. Okay, I think he's gone. Come on.
Coast is clear. Let's get hopping.